In the construction machinery industry, some brands imitate us, trying to mislead the market with low-cost and OEM products, but facts speak louder than rumors. More commonly, there is a widespread issue of exaggerated machine weight in the industry, where the actual weight falls far short of claimed figures. In contrast, every Rippa model delivers true weight, even exceeding the standard its model number represents. Structurally, we've long achieved a flexible and efficient zero-tail swing design, while many products on the market still rely on bulky traditional structures that severely limit mobility in confined spaces. All Rippa components are developed and manufactured in-house. From raw material procurement, stamping, laser cutting, welding, painting, to final assembly, every step is strictly controlled. Unlike many domestic competitors who simply assemble purchased parts, we control quality from the source. This mastery over the entire process is why we can confidently promise true weight, true performance. And it's the foundation for achieving more advanced body structures.